Hi everyone. Now we are going to start the topic trigonometry. So already almost TS headset topics మనకు almost గా అయిపోయినాయండి. So not only TS headset, you may get all this for CTET or TET, TS TET, AP TET, and for TRT, SGT and TRT, school assistant maths and school assistant physical science classes also you will be get here. So in this entrance guide channel you will get maths and science classes. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. So trigonometry. Trigonometry, this is a branch of mathematics. So why we get this is, if you take triangles, similar triangles, already we learnt about similar triangles. If you take any two similar triangles, in those similar triangles, if you take these two are similar triangles. In these similar triangles, if you take adjacent opposite side by hypotenuse. So if you take this as an angle, this is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. And same this, if you take same angle, similar angle in another triangle, this is at opposite side and this is hypotenuse. So in similar triangles, if you take hundreds of similar triangles also, their opposite side by hypotenuse is always constant. For similar triangles, opposite side by hypotenuse is always constant, and adjacent side by hypotenuse means their sides ratio. Next, opposite side by adjacent side, these all are constant. So those constants have given as opposite side by hypotenuse is given as sine theta. Theta means if this is the angle, if you take as theta, that angle is theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Means you can observe here sine theta by cos theta. If you do sine theta by cos theta, sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse and by cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then hypotenuse and hypotenuse get cancelled. Again you will get opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent means sine theta by cos theta we are getting equal to tan theta. So we can write sine theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So these are the relations. Next, if you take cosine, here sine means total, it write as sine. First, this sign used by scientist Aryabhatta in his book Aryabhattiyam. Aryabhatta used the Aryabhattiyam in his book Aryabhattiyam. In his book, he used it as Ardha Ja. Next it turned as Ja, next Jiva, and next depending on languages, last it changed as sine, S-I-N-E, sine. That simply we write as S-I-N, sine theta. Okay, next this is cosine, cos, simply cosine we call cosine, simply we call it as cos. Tan means tangent, simply we call it as tan theta, tan. Next, cosecant. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Simply we call as cosec. Secant. Reciprocal of tan. Sorry, cos. Secant is reciprocal of cos. So, this is reciprocal means this is secant. Simply call as sec theta. Next, cot. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan. So this cot is reciprocal of tan. So these all are relations. Next, sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. These we have to know. Here in right angle triangle ABC. ABC is right angled triangle. And AB is 8 cm, BC 15 cm, CA 17 cm. So from these three, which is hypotenuse? How can we know? Which is longer length? Why? Because according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Means hypotenuse is simply the highest length. So which has highest length? 17 centimeter. So hypotenuse 17 centimeter means this is CA. This is CA. When we get CA, automatically this is B, means 90 degrees is here. This is the 90-degree angle. Next AB 8 centimeter, BC 15 centimeter. Okay, we know all these three sides. Then find sin A, cos A, tan A. First sin A. Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin A, this is sin A. A, opposite side is 15 centimeters by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is, this is 17. That's it. 15 by 17. We cannot cancel it now. Just leave it. 15 by 17. Next, cos A. Cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. A. For A, adjacent side is 8 centimeter. 8 by hypotenuse is 17. That's it. Leave it. Next, tan A. Tan A is opposite by adjacent. So, for this opposite is 15 by, for this A, adjacent is 8. Therefore, tan A is 15 by 8. Here one more question. If 3 tan A equal to 4, find sin A and cos A. So 3 tan A equal to 4 means tan A is equal to, if you transpose this 3, it become by 3. So for this A, tan A means opposite side by adjacent side. So 4 is opposite side and 3 is adjacent side. So when we know opposite side by adjacent side, we can know hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square is 4 square plus side 2 square is 3 square. 4 square means 16, 3 square is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Hypotenuse square is 25. Then hypotenuse is equal to square root of 25, means 25 we can write as 5 square. Square root get cancelled, then 5. So hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. Then sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is 4 by hypotenuse 5. Next cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side here is 3 by hypotenuse is 5. Completed. Sin A and cos A. One more example. In a right angle triangle ABC. So right angle triangle ABC. Right angle at B. They have given. Right angle is at B. Then if tan A is equal to root 3. Tan A is equal to root 3. Then find sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. That value we have to find out. So tan A means tan A is equal to root 3. Root 3 we can write as root 3 by 1. Na? Means this is opposite side by adjacent side. Tan A means tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So this is root 3 by 1. Means opposite side is root 3, adjacent side is 1. A, for this A, opposite side is BC, that is root 3. Adjacent side is 1. AB, that is 1. So we get BC and AB. But according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 is root 3. Root 3 square plus side 2 is 1 square. So root square, root get cancelled. Then we get 3 plus 1 square is 1. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. H square is equal to 4. H is equal to square root of 4. 4 we can write as 2 square. So square root of 4 is 2. So H also we get as hypotenuse is 2. H means hypotenuse is 2. Then we have to find out sin A into cos C. Sin A. Sin A means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side root 3 by hypotenuse 2 into cos C. See, this is angle C. Cos C means adjacent side by hypotenuse. For this adjacent side is root 3 only. By hypotenuse 2. So root 3 by 2 plus cos A. Cos, this is A. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 1. By hypotenuse is 2. Into sin C. This is sin C. This is C. Angle C. For this opposite side is 1 by hypotenuse is 2. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. You have to know that first. So root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 by root 3 whole square by 2 square plus 1 into 1 by 2 into 2 2 square. Here root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square means square root get cancelled. 3 by 2 square is 4 plus 1 by 2 square is 4. So when bases are same, denominators are same, numerators we can add directly. So 3 plus 1 means here 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 4 that is equal to 1. Therefore sin A cos C plus cos A sin C value is 1. For this sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, we have some angles values. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So these 5 angles values we have to learn, buttify these values. So this is angle sin A. For angle A, sin A. A means here if the angle is 0, sin 0 is value 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is 1. These values we have to buttify. Sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2, sin 90, 1. We compulsory ga batti line ga vachesari. If you get these 5. Next, if you go to cos, just write all these values opposite. 1 right here, root 3 by 2, here 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0. That's it. Completed. Cos 0, 1. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, same. For sin and cos, 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cos 90, 0. Completed. Cos values also. If you get sin values, you will get cos also. Next, go to tan. Tan means sin by cos. We know that. Tan means sin by cos. 0 by 1. 0 by anything is 0. Tan 0 is 0. Tan 30. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. We get 1 by root 3. Tan 45. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. 2 cancel. 1. Next. Tan 60. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Root 3 by 1 means root 3. Tan 90. 1 by 0. Anything by 0. If in denominator we have 0, that is called not defined. That is not defined. Infinite. Simply we call it as infinite. So, tan 90 is infinite. Next, cot. Cot means reciprocal of tan. Cot means 1 by tan. So, 1 by 0. Infinite. Not defined. Cot means 1 by tan. So, 1 by 0. Not defined. 1 by root 3. It's reciprocal. Root 3 by 1 means root 3. 1 we can write as 1 by 1. It's reciprocal also 1 by 1. This is root 3. It's reciprocal. This we can write as root 3 by 1. It's reciprocal 1 by root 3. This is infinite. Infinite means so 1 by infinite. 1 by infinite is 0. So simply you can understand here. Cot means cos by sin. Opposite. 0 by 1. 0 by anything is 0 here. Next sec. Sec A. Sec means opposite of cos. 1 by cos. 1 by cos. So opposite means this 1 we can write as 1 by 1. Reciprocal also 1. Root 3 by 2. Reciprocal 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2. Root 2 by 1 means root 2. 1 by 2. 2 by 1 means 2. 0. 1 by 0. Not defined. Not defined or infinite. Next, cosec. Cosec is a reciprocal of sine. This is 0. It's the reciprocal 1 by 0. Not defined. Infinite. That is infinite. Next, 1 by 2. Reciprocal. 2 by 1 means 2. 1 by root 2. Root 2 by 1. Root 2. Next, root 3 by 2. 2 by root 3. Here 1 means this is also 1. So, these are the values. This table. In this table, just you have to learn only sign values. Remaining all you will get by their relation. So, simply first you have to learn rectify these values. So, we have example. Find this its value. So, cos 45 value is 1 by root 2 by sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Sec 30 2 by root 3 plus cosec 60 sec 30 both are same 2 by root 3. So 1 by root 2 by, when denominators are same directly we can add numerators, 2 plus 2 by root 3. So 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 is 4 by root 3. 1 by root 2 into 4 by root 3. We can write its, by writing into, we can write its reciprocal. Root 3 by 4. 1 into root 3 is root 3 by root 2 into 4 means 4 into root 2. That's it. Its value. Okay. Next. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. What is its value? 2. Tan square 45 means first tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. 1 square plus cos square 30. First cos 30 value root 3 by 2 whole square. Cos square na, so it's a square minus sin square 60. First sin 60 root 3 by 2 square whole square. So 1 square means 1. 2 into 1 2 plus root 3 square 3 by 2 square 4 minus root 3 square 3 by 2 square is 4. So plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 gets cancelled. We get 2. So its value is 2. Here I have given one more question. In a right angled triangle PQR. Triangle is PQR. Right angle is at Q. Right angle is at Q. Means remaining PR we can write. PQ is 6 centimeter. Angle RPQ. RPQ means angle at P is 60 degrees. Find lengths of QR and PR. These two lengths we have to find out. So simply when you know this angle, simply we can write for this angle this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So we can write tan. Otherwise this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. Then you can write cos. Anything you can write. So I am writing here tan. Tan 60 is equal to, for this opposite is QR by adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent. Tan means adjacent is PQ. So tan 60 is root 3 value. QR we don't know, write it as QR. By PQ they have given 6. Then transpose this side. Then QR is equal to 6 into root 3. So this is length of QR. Now you can write cos for the same. Cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side. For this cos 60, adjacent side is PQ by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is PR. So cos 60, 1 by 2, its value. 1 by 2 is equal to PQ. PQ is 6 by PR. We don't know, we have to find out. Write it as PR. Transpose this PR this side. PR into 1, PR. And transpose this to this side. 2 into 6, 12. So PR is 12. So we found out QR. QR is 6 root 3. PR is 12. Here some more formulas we have to learn. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So 90 minus something value. If you subtract some value from 90, whatever that value you get, that theta is equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. So these you have to know, these you have to learn. Based on this we have some examples, problems. So first example is tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. So tan 36 degrees I am writing as it is by, this is cot 54. 54 I can write as 90 minus 36. So cot 90 minus 36 is 54 only na. So this is in the form of 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So this tan 36 degrees by cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, means that is equal to tan 36. Tan 36 degrees. Tan 36 cancel. We get value 1. Next, second example. Tan 26 into tan 64 value. Tan 26, write it as it is, into tan 64, I can write as tan 90 minus 26. 90 minus 26 is again 64. So, write this tan 26 as it is. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So, this we can write as cot 26. Cot 26. Then tan 26 into cot 26 means cot is reciprocal of tan. That we can write as 1 by tan 26. Cot is reciprocal of tan. 1 by tan 26. Tan 26 gets cancelled. We get again value 1. So, based on these problems, we will get this type of problems. Here I have given one more example. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, then find the value of a. When here they have given this angle A is acute angle. Acute means less than 90. When this is 90, find out the value of a. So this I am writing as tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, means cot theta. Take it as cot theta. Cot theta means we can write as tan 90 minus theta. Na? Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So this cot theta we can write as tan 90 minus theta. So this cot I am writing as tan 90 minus theta. Here angle is a minus 18. Theta is here a minus 18. A minus 18. So tan 2a is equal to tan 90. Just multiply this minus inside. Minus into plus, minus a, minus into minus, plus 18. Tan 2a is equal to tan 90 plus 18. 108 minus a. Here you can observe, here we have tan, here also we have tan. When these tangents are same, their angles also should same. Then we can write simply angles 2a is equal to 108 minus a. Transpose this minus a this side. This become plus a. 2a plus a is equal to 108. 2a plus a is 3a. 3a is equal to 108. Then a is equal to transpose this 3 this side. It become by. So 108 by 3. 3 ones. 3 threes are 9. Remaining 1. It become 18. 3 6 are 18. So 36 degrees. So a is equal to 36 degrees. Find a like this. So they have given cot value that we turn into tan. Then only we can write these two angles are equal. That's why we turn that cot into tan. In trigonometry we get more formulas. So here again we have 3 formulas. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So these also you have to learn. Next, based on this we have first example. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square value. We have to find it. So this is like a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square means sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab. 2a sin theta into b cos theta. Next, sin theta minus cos theta whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 sin theta cos theta. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here you can observe plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Here minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Plus 2 minus gets cancelled. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So these two become 1. Again here we have sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is also 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here simply that value we get as 2. Here one more example. Square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Find its value. So here simply this problem we are numerator and denominator both I am multiplying with 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Na? This numerator and denominator I am multiplying with 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Means again by cancelling these two we get again these two only. Na? So here 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a whole square. 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula of a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. So here a is 1. 1 square minus b is sin. Sin square a. Square root of. Okay. Here 1 square. Okay, I'll write again. 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 square means 1. 1 minus sin square a. What is the value of 1 minus sin square a? We know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Now only we have seen this. Okay. Then just cos square a is equal to 1. If you transpose this plus sin square a that side, that become minus sin square a. So 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. 1 minus sin square a means we can write as cos square a. Cos square a. Here this I am writing 1 plus sin a whole square by square root. This I am distributing for these two. For numerator I have written square root, and for denominator also I am writing. So this has square and root gets cancelled. This here also square and root gets cancelled. Here we get 1 plus sin a by square root gets cancelled, we get cos a. So its value is 1 plus sin a by cos a. Again we can simplify this more also. This I am writing 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. We can write now. So this is numerator I am distributing, denominator distributing for these two 1 and sin a. So 1 by cos means reciprocal of cos is sec a. Sin a by cos a is tan a. Sin a by cos a is tan a. So its value is sec a plus tan a. In exams you may have option this or this. Okay. Whatever the option you have to go through that. So root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is sec a plus tan. Here we have one more example. If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then find sec theta minus tan theta. This is very important question. We got in many exams, competitive exams. So sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p. Both the side LHS and RHS I am multiplying with sec theta minus tan theta. So this write it as it is sec theta plus tan theta, and this I am multiplying with sec theta minus tan theta, and this is LHS multiplied with sec theta minus tan theta. Then RHS also should multiply with same sec theta minus tan theta. When these two get cancelled, again we get that only. Na? Then now if you see this, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So a is sec square theta minus tan square theta. That is equal to p into sec theta minus tan theta. But we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 is equal to P into sec theta minus tan theta. Just transpose this P this side, that become 1 by P. That is sec theta minus tan theta. Therefore, sec theta minus tan theta is 1 by P. When sec theta plus tan theta is P, sec theta minus tan theta is 1 by P. So, these questions we may get as when sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then what is the value of sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Like this also asked questions. When sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P, find sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta is 1 by P into sec theta plus tan theta is P. P gets cancelled, that is equal to 1. Means simply, no need to do this. Sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta means sec A minus B into A plus B. So, sec square theta minus tan square theta. So, means they won't give this P. Some value they will give. Whatever the value they have given. Then we get simply sec square theta minus tan square theta is always 1. Here I have given 5 questions. Please answer these questions in comment box. So, if you have any doubt also, please comment in comment box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.